G'day, just going to show you how to tap into the high beam trigger. This is a 2022 Volkswagen Amarok, and we're looking at the back of the front left headlight. So we've got to get this plug here, got to get this guy off, so that's what you got to tap into. On the bottom of it is a little clip. You need to push down and pull back a bit. They're quite tight. Come off. So on here you have number 3 will be your negative. If your trigger to your high beam to your light bar needs a negative, just tap into that one. For the actual positive connection, it's number 8. So it's this white one here with the black trace on it. So they'll give you your 12 volts. When that's got 12 volts, your light bar will be able to be turned on then. So there's a couple of ways you can tap into that. You can get third-party harnesses that clip into here and then clip onto your headlight and come on that way. Or you can just use one of these clips to just tap into that wire and put your new wire into there, close it up, and that's made your connection. And this is the button that you got to push to get it off in the first place. And that's about it.